Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to save your favorite locations on Google Maps. So you click on Google Maps app and then you click on whichever location you wish to save as your favorite. For example, let's zoom in and get a place. King's College Hospital. You click on the location and then you swipe right and then you click on save. You can save it as your favorite, want to go, travel plans, or start places. Here you click on favorites. You can write anything you need to know about it. And then you click on done. That's how to save a location to your favorites on Google Maps. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.